Okay, so we go now to ones complement. So in ones complement, the rule is everyone in the number is changed to 0 and every 0 to 1. Okay? So, kana lang ang rule sa tuang ones complement. In the twos complement, a 1 is added to the least significant bit of the number form. Here, in the ones complement, wala na siya. Okay? Just change all zeros to 1 and all ones to zeros. So let's let's have an example here. So you have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 of base 2. We want to obtain the twos complement equivalent of this particular number. Again, all ones are changed to 0 and all zeros are changed to 1. So you have 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 of base 2. So that becomes your ones complement. Okay, let's use the ones complement in subtracting a number wherein the result is a negative value. Okay? So we have the same example. Itong kaganiha sa twos complement, the number 2 example. So this one here is our first example. So again, the first step is for you to convert 35 of base 10 into base 2 equivalent, which is this one. So this is your 35. Okay? And this one here is your 49. Alright? Now, again, positive numbers are retained, only negative numbers are to be complemented. Okay? So, we retain this one, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 of base 2. Whereas this one here, since this is a negative number, this one, so we have to obtain the twos or the ones complement equivalent of this particular number. So you will have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 of base 2. Okay? Then, since it is complemented, meaning to say that the sign will also be changed into positive. So, both numbers now are positive. So, we simply add the numbers. Alright? Then you have what? 1, 0, carry 1, 0, carry 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? So, in any case that there will be an end around carry, for example, in this case here, the end around carry is 0, the 0 is added to the least significant bit of the number form. In the twos complement, the end around carry is not used. But in the ones complement, the end around carry is added to the least significant bit of the number form. Okay? So this becomes what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again, the most significant bit identifies that it is a negative number. Okay? So that means that this one here is a negative number. So the question is this equivalent to minus 14 of base 10? Alright? So again, all we have to do is to obtain so this is now our answer. All we have to do is to obtain the ones complement equivalent of this particular number. So you have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Alright? So is this equivalent to positive 14? So if you notice that the most significant bit is 0, that means that it is a positive number. And you have here 1, 2, 4, 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. So you have positive 14. That means that this is the binary equivalent of minus 14 in ones complement principle. Okay? So, the possibility that the answer for the 2's complement of a particular example may not be the same as that of the 1's complement subtraction of this number, which is this one. So they may not be the same, no, in the 2's complement and in the 1's complement result. But the answer is just the same, no? Correct gyapon niyang answer. Okay? So that's it for the 1's complement.